Hey guys, John from j&jautowrecking here, coming at you with a test video for L6HU284. This is a 2006 Hummer H2. She was not a theft recovery. We just went ahead and started gutting it before the social media department took their video. That was me. I failed there, so yeah. Anyways, lots of nice parts on this truck that you guys can't see because Mason's over here photographing them. There's your Hummer and a Corvette and the rest of your Hummer. But we're going to do a walk around and show off what's left. Nice doors here. Very nice set of wheels and tires. BFG ATs, 315/70/17s, a very deep tread. Got those as a set of 4. We've got a 130,000 mile LQ4 swap. Very good condition. I just fired it up a second ago. No manifold tick. Probably still has all of her bolts. This is what totaled her out here. She took a little bit of a hit, and I'm guessing the body shop saw that core support right there and totaled it. We honestly kind of thought about fixing this here. A couple of the guys were interested in this one, but nobody pulled the trigger, so we are parting it out. Very nice yellow doors here, rust-free at the bottoms. The rock rails have the typical rot on them. Don't think these ones are going to be able to be saved. Nice set of roof racks here with the third rack has got the OEM light kit. Show that off up there. We're going to go ahead and step inside here. Maybe I'll sit. Let's see if I can drive it from back here. You guys ready for this? Oh yeah. All the leg room. This is the shack edition. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up here. I went ahead and found the cluster so we could see what's going on. 127,114 miles. Yeah, no manifold noise, no ticks, man. This is a very good running LQ4. Sometimes you fire these up and they just sound nasty. Thank you, Mason. We found a seat. Let's get removable center console here. All right. Wonder if we should plug the airbag in for safety. Nah. Alrighty, guys, we are gonna go ahead and test out the old transmission. I hope nothing's behind me. We're moving. I just have a, I promise, there's just a sill plate wedged under the gas pedal. Nah, we're good. All right, we're good. We're good. Try 2. There's reverse. Always check your controls, guys, especially in these test videos. We've almost hit the building enough times that I've kind of learned to test it before you move it. There is drive. The transmission is engaging right away. It's a good feeling for L65E. Service 4-wheel drive. Yeah, she is just one pissed off Puerto Rican. She has got no switches on her. Tourette's guy reference there. I hope you guys caught that. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for L6HU284, our 2006 Hummer H2, 128,000 mile LQ4 swap. I'm out of breath, guys. It's early. I'm cranky. Thanks for watching. This video is over, and we're out.